Hello, welcome to Price Analysis Forex YouTube channel. Okay, we are here with you with the second part of fundamental analysis. Okay, let's start. Australian Australian data, monetary policy meeting minutes. Meeting minutes means the meeting that was previously held, the details of that meeting, that what are the topics of that meeting minutes uh, are those things. Okay, core retail sales. I have told you that retail sales are change in the sales at retail level are called retail sales. Core retail sales, which things are excluded in this, excluding automobile industry. Why automobile industry is excluded? Because their prices are volatile. That's why they cannot be included in core retail sales. These automobiles are included in retail sales data, not in core retail sales data. Okay, PPI, producer price index, monthly data. The change in value of change at the sold goods at the producer level means change in, okay, change in price of finished goods and services sold by producers. Okay, if the data is good, higher than expected and higher than previous, that is good for currency, and if it's lower, it's bad for currency. Retail sales, I have explained this at many times. And core PPI, producer price index. What are the excluded? Food and energy are excluded at core producer price index. Industrial production, monthly change. Industrial production means change in the total inflation adjusted value of output produced by manufacturers, mines and utilities. Okay, next is CPI, consumer price index, yearly change. These data are already explained. CPI, Canada and from Britain. And okay, let's move to FOMC economic projections. FOMC means Federal Open Market Committee. This is a committee of USA Central Bank, Federal Reserve Bank. This committee decides whether to increase rate, decrease rate. They took every decision of Federal Reserve Bank of America. Okay, economic projections. They project what are the economic conditions and how they are going to change, and what changes will be in the next time period. FOMC statement, Federal Open Market Committee statement from the Federal Reserve Bank. Okay, federal funds rate. The interest rate of USA is called federal funds rate. This is in this rate, they will tell us are they going to increase, decrease, or keep the rate at the same level. FOMC press conference. FOMC held a press conference short within after releasing the funds rate within 30 minutes or even within 45 minutes after the interest rate release. They held a press conference, and even journalist questions are expected in this press conference. So market at that time, markets are highly volatile, and you can make as much money as you can, and even you can lose money if your directions are wrong and you have not mapped the market well. Okay, employment change, that how much people have employed. This is from Australia. Okay, next is unemployment rate. I have explained this all these things previously. Okay, these are repeating uh, numbers, actually these are from different countries. If But our purpose is to uh, explain the things, not for the even for every currency. If we Every data have the same impact, but uh, from which country it is coming, uh, this will impact on that currency only. Okay, let's move to flash manufacturing PMI. Manufacturing PMI means purchasing managers index of manufacturing industry. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. All the PMIs, manufacturing PMI, services PMI, if the data is more than 50, these data are good for that currency, that economy. And even data, if data is less than 50, these data are harmful for their economy, and their economy is not growing well. Okay, flash services PMI, uh, purchasing managers index from service industry. Okay, core retail sales, that is also explained, retail sales. Flash manufacturing. Okay, crude oil inventories, OPEC meetings. OPEC means Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, and KSA, Saudi Arabia, is the de facto leader of that OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Their meeting is going to held on Thursday, 24th June, all day, and their meeting will be long. Okay, MPC official bank rate votes. MPC means Monetary Policy Committee. This committee belongs to UK. Uh, uh, okay, Bank of England's committee that decide whether to increase, decrease, or keep the rate at same. Okay, uh, votes. When this data will be uh, updated, you will be shown like this, that how much the vote, how these vote count works actually. The first number is how many MPC members are voted to increase interest rate, and second one is how many voted to decrease the interest rate, and third, this one, how many voted to hold the rates at same price. These are the uh, numberings, and these are the rates, how they vote for that, for rate decrease, increase, or keep at the same. Okay, monetary policy summary. The summary of monetary policy. Official bank rate. UK's interest rate name is official bank rate. Okay, MPC asset purchase facility. Asset purchase facility means that how much currency notes they have been printing. They called it asset purchase facility, that they have to this is a voting of asset purchase facility, that they have to increase that printing, or decrease, or keep at the same level. Okay, final GDP, gross domestic product from USA, quarterly. Unemployment claims, same thing, that how much people have uh, filed that they need some help from government. Okay, let's move to the last week. USD CB consumer confidence. Consumer board consumer confidence, that's its name. And let's open its detail. Level of composite index based on surveyed households. Okay, let's have it. Survey of about 3,000 households, which asked respondents to rate the relative level of current and future economic conditions, including labor availability, business conditions, and overall economic situations. Okay, let's move to the next. Manufacturing PMI from China. uh, Manufacturing PMI purchasing managers index from manufacturing industry. They ask them about what are the conditions, manufacturing industries condition in their company. this is a survey. I have explained this in previously. ADP, non-farm employment change, GDP, and pending home sales. Pending home sales mean change in the number of homes under contract to be sold but still awaiting the closing transaction, excluding new construction. Okay, this is pending home sales. And crude oil inventories, I have explained this crude oil inventories previously, that how much oil is stored in US's commercial funds storeroom. Okay, thank you so much, guys. This is a whole Forex Factory fundamental analysis. Hope this will help you to understand Forex Factory. If you learn something from our video, do like and share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, guys.